This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by making sure power and permissions won't interrupt pairing. Put your smartwatch into pairing mode now and enable Bluetooth plus location services on your phone. The watch often needs location to scan. Once done, open the companion app on your phone. Many watches require that specific app. Make sure Wi-Fi is off if instructed, since Bluetooth pairing is more reliable. You're initiating a secure link. Keep devices within 1-2 meters and follow any on-screen prompts. Next, confirm the device on both ends. Tap the watch name in your phone's Bluetooth list and watch for a pairing code. If a code appears, verify it matches on both devices and accept. This prevents accidental connections. Once paired, the companion app will request permissions, grant notifications, contacts, and health access so features work correctly. Adjust sync settings like frequency or allowed data types in the app. If firmware updates appear, install them to ensure stability and full feature access. To finish, finalize personalization. Choose watch faces, notification rules, and which apps can send alerts. Then perform quick checks, make a test call, send a message, and verify health sensors are recording. Once sync completes, let the watch run for a few minutes to populate data. If something goes wrong, don't panic. The most effective fix is a restart of both watch and phone, then re-attempt pairing. This clears temporary Bluetooth conflicts and often resolves stubborn connection errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.